Namaste. Greetings, beloveds. In this video, we're going to share with you the secrets of how Buddhist monks embrace minimalism and use technology to enhance their mental well-being. Watch until the end, as you won't believe the impact this can have on your life. The modern world is awash in technology. Smartphones buzz with notifications, laptops beckon us with endless streams of information. We are constantly bombarded, our senses overwhelmed. Our minds struggle to find peace. We yearn for silence, for stillness. What if we could harness technology for mindfulness and well-being? In a world obsessed with more, there exists an ancient tradition that champions less. Buddhism emphasizes mindfulness, simplicity, and detachment. It encourages us to strip away the superfluous and focus on what truly matters. Monks practice minimalism as a path to enlightenment. Their monasteries serve as sanctuaries from sensory overload. This video explores how Buddhist monks, masters of mindfulness and minimalism, navigate the digital age. We will delve into their unique perspective on technology, uncovering how they leverage its benefits while mitigating its potential pitfalls. From ancient meditation techniques to mindful approaches to digital consumption, we will uncover the secrets to cultivating mental well-being in a technology-driven world. Prepare to embark on a journey of self-discovery, learning how to find peace and clarity amidst the digital noise. By embracing the principles of minimalism and mindfulness, we can transform our relationship with technology, using it not as a source of distraction but as a tool for personal growth and well-being. We live in a world saturated by information. Our phones have become portals to a relentless digital maelstrom. Emails pile up, demanding attention. Social media feeds scroll endlessly. The volume of data we process daily is staggering. Social media, with its promise of connection and community, often exacerbates our sense of isolation. We scroll through carefully curated feeds, comparing our lives to the seemingly perfect existences of others. Likes, comments, and followers become metrics of our worth, fueling a never-ending cycle of validation seeking. We present polished versions of ourselves online, masking our vulnerabilities and insecurities. This pursuit of online approval can leave us feeling empty and disconnected from genuine human interaction. We become more comfortable interacting through screens than face-to-face, neglecting the nuances of non-verbal communication and the richness of real-world relationships. The very technology designed to bring us closer can push us further apart. The digital landscape is not a neutral playing field. Tech companies vying for our attention employ sophisticated algorithms and persuasive design to keep us glued to our screens. Notifications are engineered to trigger dopamine hits, creating a cycle of craving and reward. Apps are designed to be addictive, exploiting our psychological vulnerabilities to maximize engagement. We are not merely consumers of technology, we are the product. Our attention is a valuable commodity, sold to advertisers eager to influence our purchasing decisions. Caught in this attention economy, we become slaves to platforms designed to exploit our deepest desires for connection, entertainment, and validation. This constant state of digital distraction comes at a steep price. Our ability to focus, to concentrate on a single task without interruption, is severely compromised. We skim articles instead of reading deeply. We jump between tasks, our minds fragmented and overwhelmed. This erosion of attention has far-reaching consequences, impacting our work, relationships, and overall well-being. Stress and anxiety levels soar as we struggle to juggle the demands of the digital age. Sleep suffers as the blue light emitted from our devices disrupts our natural circadian rhythms. We become increasingly reactive, our nervous systems on high alert, constantly anticipating the next notification, the next email, the next update. Amidst this digital maelstrom, the ancient wisdom of Buddhist monks offers a beacon of hope. Their minimalist lifestyle, characterized by simplicity, mindfulness, and detachment, provides a powerful antidote to the excesses of the modern world. By turning inward, cultivating stillness, and prioritizing what truly matters, they offer us a path to rediscovering peace and clarity in our technology-saturated lives. In the serene landscapes where ancient wisdom meets modern life, Buddhist monks offer a profound lesson in the power of minimalism. Their monasteries, often nestled amidst tranquil mountains or secluded forests, serve as sanctuaries from the relentless noise and distractions of the outside world. Within these walls, monks embrace a minimalist lifestyle not as a form of deprivation, but as a path to liberation. Minimalism in the Buddhist context extends far beyond the mere act of decluttering physical possessions. It's a philosophy that permeates every aspect of life, from the material to the mental. It's about simplifying, focusing on the essential, and detaching from the endless desires that cloud the mind and create suffering. Central to Buddhist minimalism is the understanding that true peace stems from within. A cluttered living space, filled with unnecessary possessions, reflects a cluttered mind, bombarded by thoughts, desires, and anxieties. By simplifying their external environment, monks create space for inner peace to flourish. Their living quarters are typically sparse, furnished with only the essentials for a life of contemplation and study. This simplicity allows them to focus their attention inward, cultivating mindfulness and awareness of the present moment. Free from the distractions of the material world, their minds become clear, calm, and receptive to deeper truths. The practice of detachment. Buddhist monks understand that true happiness cannot be found in the pursuit of material possessions or fleeting pleasures. They practice detachment not as a form of asceticism or self-denial, but as a way of freeing themselves from the suffering that arises from attachment. They recognize that everything in the material world is impermanent, subject to change and decay. Clinging to possessions, relationships, or even ideas creates a sense of unease, a fear of loss that prevents us from experiencing true contentment. By letting go of attachments, monks cultivate a sense of equanimity, a peaceful acceptance of the ever-changing nature of life. Cultivating contentment. Minimalism for Buddhist monks is not about living with less, but about appreciating what they have. It's about finding joy in simplicity, contentment in the present moment, and gratitude for the basic necessities of life. This spirit of contentment arises from a deep understanding of the interconnectedness of all things. They recognize that their well-being is inextricably linked to the well-being of others and the environment. This awareness fosters a sense of responsibility, a desire to live in harmony with the world around them, and a deep appreciation for the abundance that already exists in their lives. Finding freedom in simplicity. The minimalist lifestyle embraced by Buddhist monks offers a powerful antidote to the excesses and anxieties of the modern world. By simplifying our lives, letting go of attachments, and cultivating contentment, we too can experience the transformative power of minimalism. It's a path to greater freedom, inner peace, and a deeper connection to ourselves and the world around us. Their example reminds us that true happiness is not found in accumulating more, but in appreciating what we already have. It's a reminder that the most meaningful things in life are often the simplest: connection, compassion, and the present moment. In the tranquil confines of Buddhist monasteries, where ancient wisdom intersects with the modern world, technology is not viewed as an enemy of mindfulness, but as a potential tool for enhancing it. Buddhist monks, known for their disciplined minds and serene demeanor, approach technology with the same principles of mindfulness and intentionality that guide their spiritual practice. They recognize that technology itself is not inherently good or bad. It's how we use it that determines its impact on our well-being. Just as a sharpened blade can be used to heal or harm, Technology can either distract us from the present moment or help us connect more deeply with ourselves and the world around us. While some may perceive Buddhist monks as detached from the modern world, many have embraced technology as a means to share their teachings, connect with a wider audience, and promote understanding and compassion. Websites and social media platforms have become virtual monasteries, offering guided meditations, Dharma talks, and insights into Buddhist philosophy. Monks use video conferencing to connect with students around the globe, breaking down geographical barriers and making ancient wisdom accessible to anyone with an internet connection. They recognize that technology, when used mindfully, can be a powerful tool for fostering connection, spreading compassion, and promoting peace. Despite embracing certain aspects of technology, Buddhist monks remain acutely aware of its potential pitfalls. They caution against becoming enslaved by our devices, constantly bombarded by notifications and losing ourselves in the digital ether. The key, they emphasize, is to maintain a healthy balance between our online and offline lives. They advocate for setting boundaries, designating tech-free zones, and scheduling digital detox periods to reconnect with ourselves, nature, and the present moment. Just as they cultivate stillness in their meditation practice, they encourage us to find moments of digital stillness, to disconnect from the constant stream of information and reconnect with the peace that resides within. Buddhist monks often view technology as a mirror, reflecting our own minds and habits. If we find ourselves constantly distracted by our devices, endlessly scrolling through social media, or feeling anxious when disconnected, it's not necessarily the technology that's the problem, but rather our own relationship with it. They remind us that technology is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used skillfully or unskillfully. By cultivating mindfulness, setting intentions, and using technology consciously, we can harness its power for good, enhancing our lives without becoming enslaved by it. Practical mindfulness, ancient wisdom for the digital age. Buddhist monks offer techniques to navigate our tech-saturated world. These practices help us cultivate present-moment awareness amidst digital distractions. Consider mindful breathing. Focus on your breath. Notice the rise and fall of your chest. This anchors you to the present, calming the mind's chatter. Transform daily walks into mindfulness opportunities. Feel the ground beneath your feet, the wind against your skin. Before using your phone, pause and ask, what is my intention? Use technology consciously, setting limits and scheduling tech-free periods. Cultivate a daily gratitude practice, appreciating the good in your life. Write down 3 things you're grateful for, focusing on simple pleasures. Digital minimalism, reclaiming your attention. Inspired by Buddhist principles, digital minimalism encourages us to simplify our digital lives. Be intentional with technology use, choosing quality over quantity. Declutter your digital space. Unsubscribe from unnecessary emails, delete unused apps, and organize your digital files. A clutter-free digital environment promotes a calmer, more focused mind. Set boundaries, establish tech-free zones in your home, such as the bedroom or dining table. Turn off notifications during work hours or leisure activities. Create designated times for checking emails and social media. Embrace single tasking. Resist the urge to multitask as it diminishes focus and increases stress. Choose one task at a time and give it your full attention. You'll be surprised by how much more productive and fulfilled you feel. Rediscover analog pleasures. Make time for activities that don't involve screens, such as reading physical books, spending time in nature, or connecting with loved ones face to face. These analog experiences nourish the soul and foster a deeper sense of well-being. The minimalist path to well-being. The gentle hum of chanting monks echoes through the centuries, a timeless reminder of the power of stillness. Their minimalist lifestyle unlocks a world of inner richness. By stripping away the superfluous, they create space for what truly matters. In our hyper-connected world, the lessons of Buddhist minimalism offer a path to reclaiming our well-being. Embrace the quiet revolution. Imagine a world where technology serves us rather than enslaves us, where we use its power to connect meaningfully, learn deeply and create positive change without sacrificing our mental well-being. This is the promise of a mindful approach to technology inspired by the wisdom of Buddhist monks. It's time to join the quiet revolution. Let go of the need to constantly check, scroll and update. Embrace moments of digital silence. Reconnect with the simple joys of being present, fully engaged in the world around you. The path to a calmer, more fulfilling life lies not in accumulating more, but in appreciating what truly matters. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with minimalism and technology in the comments below. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. May all beings be happy, healthy, and at peace.